Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer Tether or USDT from your Coinbase wallet to your Coinbase account in 2025. Whether you're looking to trade, stake, or just manage your assets better, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. Tether is a stablecoin that's super popular for its one-to-one USD peg, making transfers straightforward and secure. But remember, crypto transactions can involve fees and risks, so always double-check everything before you proceed. First things first, make sure you have both the Coinbase Wallet app and your Coinbase account set up and verified. Open your Coinbase Wallet app on your phone or device. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets tab and select Tether, USDT, from your wallet holdings. You'll see an option to send or transfer. Go ahead and tap that. Next, you'll need to enter the receiving address. Head over to your Coinbase account on the web or app, go to your dashboard, and find the Accounts section. Select your USDT wallet there, and copy the wallet address. It's crucial to get this right. Paste it carefully into the Send screen on your Coinbase wallet. Double-check that you're sending to the correct network, like Ethereum or whatever your Coinbase supports for USDT. Now, enter the amount of Tether you want to transfer. Be mindful of any network fees displayed. They can vary based on congestion. Once you're happy, hit Confirm and review the details one last time. You'll get a confirmation prompt, so approve it, and your transaction will start processing. After that, keep an eye on your Coinbase account for the funds to arrive. It might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. If you run into issues, like a stuck transaction, check the Blockchain Explorer for your USDT or contact Coinbase support. There you have it. You're all done. Transferring Tether is a breeze once you know the steps, and it helps you manage your crypto portfolio effectively. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more guides. What's your next crypto move? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.